And Jamaica's multiple Olympic and world champion Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is one of two members representing the sprints for the independent organization, the Athletics Association, which was formally launched on Thursday. The body, which is being led by American two-time Olympic triple jump champion Christian Taylor, has a 24-member athlete board with representatives from the 7 continents. Bahamian Olympic 400-meter champion Shawnee Miller-Weibo, along with Michael Thomas of Trinidad and Tobago, are the other Caribbean members represented on the board. American Allyson Felix and New Zealand's Tom Walsh are the other global gold medalists on the board. The new union, which aims to give elite track and field athletes greater say in the future of the sport, was created by Taylor last year.
Platform that actually empowers the athlete's voice, and that is truly for the athletes, by the athletes, and hopefully leading the way for the next generation to have better opportunities, and obviously to gain a seat at the table to keep the governing body accountable, make sure that the athlete's voice is being heard and it has influence in the decision-making process.